Hello, I'm in a 2019 Toyota Camry, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first open the hood, and then we'll head over to here. This will be your radiator cap for your coolant there, and then this will be the main reservoir you add to. As you can maybe see here in the video, there's like a full line and then a low line below. So you want to ideally pretty close to that full mark. And with your jug coolant, best as you can match up the color, and ideally the same manufactured brand that you've been using. It's best not to mix and match if you can help it. But from here, and you want to do this while the car's off and the system's cool. Since this system works under pressure and this liquid can get to like a boil, you want to make sure you don't get any poisonous boiling coolant to splash out on you. But that said, you'd pop this open and then fill straight from your jug or with the funnel if needed until you get to that full mark, and then pop this back on and check to make sure there's no cracks in the reservoir or looseness in the lines. You can follow that through. You don't typically need to add straight to the radiator, but you could if you need to. To open this, you just push down with some pressure and twist, and again, do not do this while the car's hot. So just pull right up now, and then there you can see the coolant. And another way to check through this system and the radiator for any possible leaks is when the cars are running. It might have some puddling form under the car, and there's also going to be possibly some water condensation. So a good way to tell that coolant apart from the water is it should have that slight color to it. And then if you end up feeling it, ideally you don't want it on your skin, but say you have a glove, it should be slightly more slick feel than what water would feel like. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a good day.